Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 8, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the daily time frame chart at the Bitcoin to Tether Zondacrypto. As you can see, the latest developments are showing us big pin bar here, red pin bar, down bar with a long upper shadow. The local high was made at 64,254, and today, as you can see, we are trading very close to the yesterday close basically, and yesterday bottom as well. So on a daily time frame chart, it doesn't actually looks very well for the bulls. If we get some indicators, okay, so if we apply, for example, RSI indicator, we can see clearly that we are coming off from almost extremely overbought market conditions. However, this situation here might change very rapidly, because the market is already testing the level of 50. So this actual level, this level of 62,260 actually is like a kind of a neutral level for the market participants, and we will see what will happen next. So the RSI neutral, and what I want to do is I want to apply the Fibonacci, and the reason for that is it looks like we got some pretty interesting Fibonacci retracement level that has been hit here. And it looks like 61%. Look, 61% has been hit here. The actual number is 63,984. That's the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of this wave down. Okay, so we retrace 61%, and then bears entered the market. They start selling to defend this very important key retracement level. So right now we are coming down, we are going down towards the next technical support. Let me just reiterate this significance here of the 61% Fibonacci retracement level, and I will place it on the right. So there you go, you can see it. This was the movement to the upside towards the 61% Fibonacci retracement was made yesterday. So it's not it's something fresh, right? It's something actually new. The local high, of course, is here. So this is the technical support. Eventually $60,050. Eventually the other level here would be 57,601, and eventually of course those are the most important technical supports. On the other hand, of course, we got this technical resistance at 66,440. Right, the last thing we want to add here on this chart is moving average, and we are going to use the moving average cross, of course. So because it's a daily time frame chart, we are switching to the 100 and 200, and as you can see, we are still trading between 100 and 200 periods moving averages. So there is no decisive breakout made yet. Nevertheless, as you can see, if we consider this movement to the downside as the corrective wave A, this movement to the upside as the corrective wave B, what we need is a corrective wave C to the downside. And the big correction, ABC correction of this last movement here, this impulsive movement to the upside, looks kind of impulsive, kind of a ABC as well. But we need to get deeper into the lower time frames to see whether this is impulsive or corrective. This upward movement, it looks corrective. Sorry, it looks corrective, ABC again. So this ABC movement will only repeat the scenario, and will apparently continue and confirm the scenario of more complex and time consuming overall range bounded market, a little bit skewed to the downside. We can of course say that this is the flag or expanding triangle or something like this, but the movement here to the upside is not a decisive movement, because we need to break above this high here, 69,812, in order to say that okay, the uptrend is possibly back. But this breakout above this last swing high wasn't actually that strong. Market retrace a lot to the downside. Then of course we got 61% retracement, possibly the wave C is under is in progress basically on the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin. Only a sustained breakout above the wave B high would change the outlook to more bullish. For now, nothing like this is happening yet. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.